Act is the best-selling CRM application, and it has been for over 3 decades. As you probably know by now, Act solutions allow you to quickly tap into rich contact details, efficiently manage your calendar, and stay on top of important sales opportunities. In this video, I want to show you how to install and activate Act Pro. If you've already received the installation file from your sales representative, then it's time to get to work. First, locate the Act Pro installation executable file and double-click it. Windows will automatically extract its contents, and eventually you'll see the Act installation menu. Once the Act installation menu appears, click the Install Act Pro link. The installation will now proceed, including all elements necessary to install Act Pro on your system. You may need to reboot your machine sometime during this installation. If you see this prompt, just click Yes. After your machine reboots, Act will continue with the installation. At some point during this process, you'll be asked to give the regional version of Act Pro that you want to install. Choose your region, and then click Next. Next up is the license agreement. Go ahead and read this agreement, and then click Accept. Finally, you'll be asked whether you want to perform a typical install or a custom install. We recommend just going with the typical installation. So choose that and click Next. And now the installation of Act Pro will resume. When your installation is finished, click the Finish button, and then you should see the Act Pro icon on your desktop. When you launch Act Pro for the first time, you'll need to add your Windows Phone information into the Phone Information dialog screen. This is a one-time feature setup which can be changed later if desired. All it really needs is your area code, and then you can click OK, and click OK again. Act now opens, and notice now that Act is currently in the trial mode. You have 30 days to try Act Pro without purchasing a license. If you've purchased a license, the next step is to activate it. You can do this by clicking the Activate Now button on this screen, or if you've already closed this window, you can always go to the Help menu at the top and choose Register Act. This opens up the Act Pro activation wizard. Choose the first option that says I have purchased Act and am ready to complete my activation, and click Next. Now locate the serial number that was sent to you as part of your purchase. Once you've found that serial number, paste it into the serial number field here. After you've pasted the number in this field, click the Next button. Now you can choose to either activate using the internet or by email. If you have an internet connection, this is the better choice because it's immediate. So click Next. Next, enter your information to register your product and then complete your activation. Once you've entered all your details in those fields, click the Activate button. Once activation is complete, you are now ready to start using Act Pro.